Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Swaggy and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to meet Lionel godmom. So we haven't seen each other for 2 years since we left Russia 2 years ago. When second time we came with Lionel and Danielle, then we left and we haven't been in physical touch. Physical touch. Yeah, so today we are planning to go to the restaurant together and eat, to have lunch. Yeah, so Leo, I think Leo remembers his godmom. Yeah, because 2 years ago he wasn't really a baby. Maybe Daniel wouldn't remember, but Leo, sure, he remembers. So she said she brought some cucumbers for Leo and raspberries because she has a dacha. Dacha is like a summer house. Russian people, they buy those summer houses also for planting, so they can grow their own stuff, but it's very seasonal. So when only it's summer, spring, yeah, you can go to dacha and plant some vegetables so you can economy. But then winter and autumn, you can't, of course you can't grow nothing. Yeah, so today she promised Leo some nice gifts from her dacha, from her summer house. And Leo, he fell in love with raspberries. I don't know, but one time I gave him to taste raspberries and he was begging me after, like, mommy, I want some malina. Malina is in Russian raspberry. Yeah, he was keep talking about raspberries. So see, I said, Leo, today you're gonna get a lot of raspberries from your godmom. So let's go, that's the plan. Let's go to the restaurant, we're gonna have some fun, chill a little, so you guys can see how Lionel godmom looks. Лео, иди поприветствуй. И папа, и мама. Здрасте.
Здравствуйте, мой хороший. Ленчик, привет.
Слушайте, ну,
Лео.
Это, видишь, уже так что на варенье придет.
конечно.
Malina, raspberry. Guys, we are walking to the shopping mall. Leo.
И все, как говорится, у него. Когда поднялась, она со стабилизатором, да? Ну, вообще.
Yeah, we decided to give godmom tea from Jamaica. Это симайки чай. Tea from Jamaica.
Ну, за мной будет. Пойдем, правда?
And this is the view. The view is so nice. The menu. Leo, do you like the view?
Смотри, как здорово.
Errol, special for you. Hello from Leo. From Leo godmom. Hello from Russian woman with love.
Ничего, ты шпаришь.
From Siberia with love. Из Сибири с любовью.
Холестерин,
Tasty, Leo? Leo ordered strawberry lemonade. And I ordered mojito. I'm drinking mojito.
Да. Вот как надо было.
И я ее отправляю, она прям трясется. Нет, сказала. Вот она за меня так переживает. А я думаю, господи.
The mushrooms and potato with the sauce and meat.
А попробовал? Вкусно.
Very tasty. Yummy. Going to eat it. Leo is bored. What's that, Leo?
Сейчас придет. Ой,
Okay, French fries. Guys, godmom is taking Leo for shopping. She says she wants to buy something to Leo as a present. Leo taking her to the baby store. Leo, you can choose whatever you want. Leo, you can choose anything. Oh, Leo, gone. You want this one?
Yeah.
Show me. You want this one?
Because I saw it on the TV.
You saw it on the TV?
Yeah.
Guys, let me tell you something. When Leo sees something on the TV, he wants it. That's why I don't really like those kids channels, because they promote too much toys.
Because look at
The
that.
big one?
Yeah, because this is half dry.
Do I look fat? Did life in Russia change me? Trust me, guys, here in Russia, I am eating right on time. Like in Jamaica, sometimes I eat late because I have a lot of things to do. And actually, I'm the person who cooks. Here, either we... Ow! either we buy food from the stores, sometimes from cafes, or either my mom has food, so I just hot it up. I don't cook in Russia, so I feel so nice. Honestly, I feel so nice, like I could live like that to the rest of my life. Leo is sad because we did not take nothing from the toy store, but we want to check another toy store there, so maybe there he can find something, because he was so undecided. Так ты на носочки не вставай.
Точно.
115.
13 где-то.
Ага. Я finally decided.
Сёнька,
Покажи.
сегодня вас запарится.
Ага. Can you believe, guys, the toy that we just bought for Leo, we opened it and it was so damn used. So it's just crazy because we bought it in the shopping mall. I mean, good thing we opened it here. And now my mom, she gone and she is asking Leo to give her phone because it was used. I mean, спасибо. Нет. So Leo is super sad because the walkie-talkie were used, very, very used. I mean, used to extreme level. Yeah, so let's see. But the lady, she knew they were used, so she tried to hide the receipt, so we did not take it. So she obviously threw it away because she knew. I don't know if they're going to give us a new product. I don't know, but the walkie-talkie are very used, so I'm so sad. Leo really wanted it, but I can't afford to buy something used for so much money. Just, it's not fair at all. So we are drinking coffee. My mom and godmom, they gone to ask about Leo toy.
Yeah, because I have to call it.
Yeah, Leo, but it's used if they can
Yeah, because
change.
he can call Daniel.
Yeah, Leo, you see how Leo was excited? Leo is so excited. He's still waiting on it. He'll be very sad, but they're so used. This is a cappuccino, Leo. This is a latte. Looks cool.
Yeah, this is a heart.
Here, Leo, it's a heart.
Because why do you love Daddy?
Because I love Daddy?
Yeah,
Okay.
because in the heart, coffee.
Okay. Yeah, we had to change. So Leo bought a Lego police station because the walkie-talkie they couldn't change. They only had one and used. So Leo took a police station. We'll play with Daniel. You happy now? So guys, we are going to buy birthday present tomorrow. My grandfather's birthday. So yeah guys, Leo great grandfather birthday. So we need to buy a birthday present. So I don't know what my mom wants. Well, she wanted to buy some slippers or whatever it is to wear inside. the apartment because in winter it's cold, so it would be nice for him. So we're just going. Yes, Leo? You're gonna buy a birthday gift for your great grandfather.
Yeah.
Alright. Something like this.
46-й.
Errol size, very rare. Very rare, but Errol, he doesn't really need this type of slippers. Yes, but my grandfather, he said he will really love it as a gift. So Leo is super happy. Alright guys, so we bought everything, so now we are going home, and tomorrow it's our grandfather's birthday, so Leo will go and tell him happy birthday. Yes, Leo? What's up guys? So today we are going to tell our grandfather happy birthday, and first we need to go to the shop to grab a cake, some cake here. And we have already a present, so that is the plan. Leo going to tell his great grandpa happy birthday. We are trying to choose the cake though. Which cake you want, Leo?
This is a chocolate cake.
You want to give him a chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Okay, so my mom said they like soft, something soft. Yeah, so let's check. Guys, we bought a cake.
Yeah, and
Nice
then,
and soft for their teeth.
yeah, and then this is white. And then looks so beautiful.
It looks so beautiful.
Yeah, looks is white.
Okay, so you're gonna eat it?
No.
No, you're
Because
not.
I have Kinder.
You have a Kinder, alright. Так, Лео, открывай двери. Открывай, открывай. Так, хоти. Скажи, с днем рождения. Так,
Смотри.
деду нам подарок вручать.
Вон.
С днем рождения! Это торт тебе, и это тебе тапочки. Держи.
Подарки.